The dot format method, that is s.format, what does it do? All right, it does something like this. We can just have a look at it. Let me just create a string which, before that, let me create a variable. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 3, A plus B is equal to C, or C is equal to A plus B. I'm just creating a new variable C. So this is A, this is B, and this is C. Now I want to insert the values of A, B, and C. I want to insert them in a string. Let me say this is, I want to say it like this: A plus B equal to C. I just want to say 2 plus 3 equal to 5. Now I can say this, if I just say 2 plus 3 equal to 5, I can say it like this as a string. Yes, I can. But this is not what I want to do. I want to insert the values of A and B. Let's say, for example, A was some other value. I should be able to insert the A and B and C values. So one of the ways that you can do is using the, using the percentage. You can say %d plus %d, where d is decimal, is equal to again another %d. Close it, close the string, put a percentage, and in this you can put the 3 values that you want to insert at the corresponding percentages. What are the 3 values? A, B, C. The same thing, 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. Of course, you don't need to give those spaces. It's looking a bit weird because of that, right? So if I say something like this, 2 plus 3 equal to 5. So wherever there are %d's in the string, it will insert wherever there is percentage. Of course, this is one of the ways. But another way is you can use a method called as format method. Now, what is a format method? Let's say a string, this is a string. The string can call a method called as format. All right. So this is a method string which calls a method called as format. Now, this particular string, it will say, wherever, instead of putting %d, just put brackets like this. This plus this is equal to this. Now, wherever there is brackets, I want to insert the value of A, B, C, and that format method does it. Wherever there are curly braces inside the string, it inserts the corresponding variables. That's it. 2 plus 3 equal to 5. That's about a format method. Now, let's say if there is a string called as hello world, I can use a method called as s.split. s.split. What does s.split do? s.split, it splits the hello world into 2 strings, that is hello and world. So 2 substrings. And where does it split? It splits wherever there is a space. That space is no longer there. If you see, there is one hello and then there is a world, 2 strings. That space is no longer there because it split the string at the place of the space. I can change the default argument of split. The default argument of split is a space, which means it splits wherever there is a space. Instead of that, I can split wherever there is a W. Enter. It split the W, but now if you see, the space is there as part of the hello. It did not split where the space is there, but W is no longer there. It split where there was a W. Is this clear? This is about a string methods, a lot of them. Some of them we haven't covered. That's for your self-exercise to figure out. That's about strings. We will now go to the next data structure, that is lists, in the next video.